I don't know what was that on. Gatcha life. I don't know how that's related to your phone, but like, gatcha life. We don't know what's going on here. So what I've managed to do is unreal. Come on. It's not responding. No. It's just where I live my camera. Look, okay. Evil. Evil. Good. Good. Well, we need a background. Except what's that? Dead. Now it just looks she's sitting in darkness. Really she is. Weep. Okay. I don't know. These weird jokes are poor Queen. Let me just give you a quick thing that happened. Okay, so them two have been thrown off a cliff. They look so happy. Why do you look happy? And she stole it from her hoof. Hey, pushed off a cliff. Yeah, we totally just ran over here. Let's just set this up. I gotta find a way to set this up. Background, really nice one. Huh? Let me record to now. So. Shut up. There.